What's up everybody? Today I want to show you how you can measure your tread depth on your tires using a 5-cent coin. If you're in a different country, you can use, of course, any other coin that you have lying around. In that case, just take a tape measure, measure it out, and wherever the 3mm mark hits, which in this case is just that top of the C line, that is what your depth indicator will be. Now, let's take this coin and check our tread depth. Well, apparently it's raining. I guess that's a good excuse. It's a good lubricant for the coin. Let's do this. So what you do, you walk up to your tire, grab your coin like so, make sure the edge of your marker is where you want to see it there, and then find the gap and chuck it in. Then we'll focus in there, and as you can see, I am right on the C line, so that means I have a 3mm profile depth, which is just about legal. So actually, these tires here are due for change very soon. I have here another tread at the back, and there again we have the same picture. We're just at the C line. So they're still barely legal, but these ones need to be replaced. So if you like the content, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and let me know how you get on. Thanks.